Today, we're diving deep into a product that promises to enhance your virtual reality experience by leaps and bounds: the KIWI Design VR Facial Interface Foam Replacement, specifically designed for the original Quest headset. This accessory stands out as a beacon of comfort and immersion for adult gamers who demand the best from their VR sessions. Right out of the gate, it's essential to note that this foam replacement is not compatible with the Quest 2, a detail that might disappoint some. However, for original Quest users, this product is nothing short of a game-changer. KIWI Design has meticulously crafted this 5-in-1 accessory pack to address some of the most common discomforts associated with prolonged VR usage. One of the standout features of this foam replacement is its ability to significantly enhance the field of view. Offering a 90-degree field, it ensures that users can immerse themselves fully in the virtual world, without the feeling of being boxed in, which is a common complaint with standard foam pads. This wider field of view can make a considerable difference in games and applications on the Steam VR platform, providing a more immersive and engaging experience. The replacement foam also boasts an impressive 7-inch screen size, further contributing to the immersive experience. This feature is particularly beneficial for users looking to get lost in their virtual adventures, be it exploring new worlds, battling foes, or simply enjoying a VR movie night. Comfort is where the KIWI. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.